Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy cable pattern. This pattern can be used in your jean sweater, lady sweater. This is the way it looks like. See, this is this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 16 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 8 plus 8 16, and 2 edge stitch 18. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18. So row 1 right side need all stitches. Row 1 right side need all stitches. Row 2 right side purl all stitches. We have done our row 1 and row 2. Now row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, we are going to twist 4 to the left way, this 2 and this 2, twist 4 to the left way. So bring this 2 stitch here from the back side and twist this 2 to the left way. Place this 2 on your left hand needle and then knit this 4. 1 2, this 2, 1 2, knit 4 and twist 4 to the right way. This time bring this 2 here from the front side and knit this 4. 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. See, twist 4 to the left way and twist 4 to the right way. Repeat that again. Twist 4 to the left way, bring this 2 here from the back side, knit this 4. 1 2 3 4 and then twist 4 to the right way. And from this 4 knit 4. 1 2 3 4. We have done 2 repeats. This is 1 and this is 2. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Now row 4 wrong side purl all stitches. Row 5 right side, knit all stitches. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 6 rows, row 1 to row 6 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.